Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to lock and protect cells in Google Sheets. So this is super helpful when you're sharing a sheet but want to keep certain cells or formulas safe from accidental edits. So let's get started, guys. So first is as you can see on my screen, I've opened the Google sheets or the spreadsheet. So I'm gonna use some samples here. So I'm gonna use this. Oh, no, not this one. The other one. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna use this file. So first, guys, is just have to click and drag to select cells, rows, or columns you want to lock. Okay, and you can protect you can protect anything from a single cell to a formula column or even entire sheets, and it's up to you guys what cells, rows, columns you want to lock. Okay, so next is once your cells are selected. So for me, I select this column, column I. So right click on that and choose protect range. Yeah, like this one. So you can find it on this, okay, in the lower part, and you can see the protect range. But of course, if you prefer the menu, you can click data at the top, and you can select protect sheets and ranges, and you just have to click that one, and a sidebar will appear on the right side, okay, on your screen. Next, guys, in the sidebar, give your protected range a name. So for me, I'm gonna put links because there's a links on that column. So this isn't required, but it helps you stay organized, especially if you protect multiple areas later. Okay, so next, guys, is now click set permissions. Okay, you just have to click this one, set permissions, and after that, here you can choose who is allowed to edit these cells, and you'll see two main options. We have here a show a warning when editing this range, and the other one is restrict who can edit this range. So it's up to you. So for the first one, this doesn't block editing but shows a warning message. Okay, and the other one is this is the real lock. So choose this to prevent others from editing the protected cells. So you can allow only yourself or specific collaborators to make changes. So it's up to you guys. So once you've made your choice, click done. So for me, I'm just gonna set this to and done. Okay, after that, guys, if you want to lock the whole sheet instead, click sheet in the sidebar, and you can protect. Okay, you might add a new one. This sheet. Okay, so you can protect everything, and then choose exceptions. So cells you do want others to edit. So okay, might want to select this one. Okay, except, okay, no, this one. So it's up to you guys what range, guys. So for me, I'm not going to set anything in there. So this is a perfect for forms, templates actually, guys, or calculation sheets. So okay, so let's X this one, and after that, guys, so try clicking a protected cell. So if everything is set up correctly, you or your collaborators will see a warning or be blocked from making changes. So let's test this, guys. So I'm gonna copy this link and try to use it um to other screen. So let just okay, so here, guys, so I'm gonna paste it here and press enter. So here, guys, okay, we're not allowed to we're not allowed to edit this column, guys. So there's a notification you're trying to edit a protected cell or object. So which means, guys, um which means that the column or the cells are protected, are already protected, guys. So that's it. You know, you now know how to lock and protect cells in Google Sheets. So thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more quick Google Sheets tutorial. Thank you.